This advanced shower watering system is the ideal solution for efficient and precise irrigation in your orchard. With a simple remote control, you can easily manage and adjust the watering schedule and intensity to suit the specific needs of your trees. This versatile excavator machine is an invaluable asset for road construction projects. Its specialized concrete spreading attachment enables it to evenly distribute the concrete mixture for a smooth and durable road surface. This powerful tree pruning machine is designed to efficiently remove excess branches from trees in orchards and farms. Its large cutting blades quickly and precisely trim branches, improving tree health, fruit yield, and harvesting. The bath scrubbing brush is a convenient and effective tool for enhancing your bathing experience. This electric brush, designed to fit securely on your bath wall, provides a deep and invigorating clean for your entire body. This captivating footage showcases the intricate process of pencil production. From the precision of the machines that assemble the pencil pin and cap to the seamless conveyor belt that transports the finished pencils, every stage of the process is meticulously automated. The video reveals the efficiency of modern manufacturing. This innovative medical device offers a convenient and effective solution for temporary pain relief. Designed to target specific areas of discomfort, it provides soothing heat or cold therapy, helping to reduce muscle tension, alleviate pain, and promote relaxation. The innovative mini remote-controlled harvesting machine is a valuable tool for farmers, enabling efficient and precise vegetable harvesting from the root. Equipped with advanced technology, this machine can be operated remotely, allowing farmers to control its movement and functions from a distance. Dubai's airports are known for their cutting-edge technology. They use smart systems to make the airport experience smoother and more efficient. Mulder Outdoors, a renowned name in the field of tree removal, leverages cutting-edge technology to ensure efficient and safe operations. One such tool that has revolutionized their approach is the CMP Grapple. This versatile attachment designed for excavators. Tree transplantation is a process of moving a tree from one location to another. Limestone is a valuable amendment for many palm tree species, especially those that prefer slightly alkaline soil conditions. It helps to neutralize acidic soil, making essential nutrients more readily available for the palm's roots. Milwaukee's M18 Forge battery line is renowned for its high performance, durability, and fast charging capabilities. Imagine a machine that transforms your garden into a lush oasis with minimal effort. It's a gardener's dream come true, making maintaining a beautiful outdoor space a breeze. These innovative machines make soil pressing easy and efficient for homeowners. They compact the earth effectively, ensuring a stable foundation. Submerged automatic rigid slatted pool covers are a popular choice for pool owners seeking a secure, energy-efficient, and convenient way to protect their pools. The Kiaster Magical Teapot is a delightful and enchanting kitchen accessory that adds a touch of whimsy to your tea drinking experience. Worthington waterway barriers are specialized floating barriers designed to protect waterways from pollution, debris, and other contaminants. These barriers are typically constructed from durable materials such as polyethylene or polypropylene, and they are equipped with anchoring systems to securely hold them in place. Mini powerful shavers are compact, portable electric razors designed to provide a close shave while fitting easily into your pocket or travel bag. This innovative tool is a game changer for bricklaying projects. Its sturdy design securely holds many bricks. This portable gadget is a must-have for laborers. Wear it on your foot for support, or sit on it when tired. It reduces fatigue and improves productivity. The Mini Gashapon CD recorder is a fun and versatile toy. By inserting different discs, you can enjoy a variety of sounds. Whether you're looking for music, animal sounds, or other auditory experiences, this tiny device offers endless possibilities for entertainment. Onion harvesting involves a multi-step process. Farmers typically begin by cutting the plant tops. Then, specialized machinery is used to lift the entire plant from the ground, allowing for efficient separation of the bulbs from the remaining foliage. This mechanized approach ensures a quicker and more effective harvest compared to traditional manual methods. An automated egg packaging assembly line is a highly efficient system designed to package eggs quickly and accurately. These lines typically incorporate various machines and technologies to handle the entire process from egg sorting to final packaging. This innovative egg tool is a must-have for any kitchen. Its unique design allows for easy and mess-free handling of eggs. It simplifies cracking, separating, and storing eggs. Its sleek shape is both practical and stylish. The Mini Transformers are a revolutionary new transportation device. They're compact and foldable, making them easy to store and transport. When you need to use them, simply unfold them and hop on. Their innovative design offers a convenient and efficient way to get around. The LTR magnetic toolpad is a versatile and indispensable tool for anyone who works with small metal objects. Its strong magnets securely hold tools, screws, nuts, and other components, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Relocating trees is a delicate process that requires careful planning and execution. A burst hot water pipe was quickly identified using thermal imaging technology. To minimize damage, the affected section of the kitchen floor was carefully cut out. The damaged pipe was replaced, and protective measures were taken to prevent future corrosion. The floor was then repaired with sand and cement, leaving it ready for the replacement tile to be installed. This efficient and minimally invasive repair prevented further water damage and restored the kitchen to its original state. The ferrofluid reacts to the magnetic fields generated by the speaker's drivers, forming intricate patterns that dance to the rhythm of the music. This not only enhances the listening experience but also adds a visually stunning element to any audio setup. This versatile electric chair is a game changer. Its sturdy construction ensures stability, making it suitable for various environments. With its convenient electric motor, you can easily move it around to your desired location. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this chair offers comfort and mobility. ZAIB is a Latvian company specializing in the production of functional wooden boxes for various purposes. Their products include boxes for waste containers, outdoor heating and air conditioning units, and other applications. This innovative hand-controlled toy tank offers an exciting and interactive playtime experience. Simply wave your hand to steer it in any direction, making it a fun and engaging challenge for kids and adults. Its intuitive controls and responsive movements provide endless possibilities for imaginative play, from navigating obstacle courses to engaging in thrilling pretend battles. This ingenious tent cloth design is a game changer for balcony gardeners. It captures rainwater for your plants. This incredible handheld fan, capable of reaching 13,000 RPM, offers a satisfying and efficient way to dry a freshly washed car. This extraordinary bed is equipped with oversized shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth and bump-free ride, no matter where your adventures take you. No longer confined to the bedroom, you can now enjoy the ultimate in comfort and relaxation wherever you go. This hilarious yet ingenious creation is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, proving that with the right technology, even the most mundane objects can be transformed into something truly extraordinary. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to ride a bicycle with square tires? Well, now you don't have to. This video captures the hilarious and mind-boggling attempt to navigate this one-of-a-kind invention. This device instantly chills any drink to your desired temperature, no ice or waiting needed. It's perfect for anyone who loves their drinks cold and convenient. Nelcaprint is a leading provider of thermal label printing solutions, specializing in a wide range of printers designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses across various industries. Their products are known for their reliability, efficiency, and high-quality print output. Pet hair can be a constant battle for pet owners. Lint rollers are a popular tool to tackle this problem, but disposable ones can quickly add up. Reusable lint rollers offer a more eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. These rollers are equipped with sticky adhesive strips that are designed to attract pet hair, lint, and other debris. This compact and rechargeable device provides cool relief on hot days, whether you're at home, work, or outdoors. A porch fireplace can add a cozy and inviting atmosphere to your outdoor space. The challenge of harvesting romaine hearts manually is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and can lead to damage to the delicate produce. This innovative design combines the excitement of a realistic firearm with the fun of a water blaster. With its sleek appearance and powerful water stream, it's sure to be a hit at any water party or outdoor adventure. The Chute Binder EasyFix is a specialized machine designed to handle delicate chutes with care. Its unique feature is the use of two wear-resistant conveyor belts that gently lift and transport the chutes, minimizing damage and ensuring optimal quality. This fruit harvesting machine shakes trees, collects fallen fruits on a canvas, and moves them via conveyor belt, reducing labor and preserving fruit quality. These handy little bottle openers make it a breeze to open any beer, no matter how dark the brew. They're compact, practical, and add a touch of class to your home bar. Streamline your construction projects with Recon's comprehensive digital ecosystem. Recon offers tools for planning, design, execution, and management. Real-time data, automated workflows, and analytics help you build smarter, faster, and more sustainably. This innovative farming tool makes row cultivation a breeze for anyone, regardless of experience. With its efficient design, it simplifies the process of planting, ensuring a bountiful and well-maintained crop. This powerful cutter is a versatile tool capable of tackling even the toughest tasks. Whether you're cutting through heavy rocks or other hard materials, its robust design and sharp blade make it a reliable and efficient choice. Artificial intelligence and humanoids are poised to revolutionize our world in countless ways. From automating mundane tasks to providing companionship and emotional support, these technologies have the potential to enhance our lives significantly. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see breakthroughs in fields such as language translation, healthcare, and education. Onion mulching machines are specialized agricultural equipment designed to efficiently apply mulch to onion fields. Mulching is a vital agricultural practice that involves covering the soil with a layer of organic or inorganic material. This layer helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health, ultimately leading to higher onion yields. A 200,000 lumen flashlight is a truly extraordinary piece of equipment that can illuminate vast areas with incredible brightness. This level of illumination is far beyond what is typically required for everyday use, making it ideal for specialized applications. In emergency situations, this powerful flashlight can help locate people or objects in dark or hazardous conditions. Safety pool covers are essential for protecting your swimming pool and preventing accidents. They provide a physical barrier between the water and the surrounding area, reducing the risk of accidental drowning, especially for children and pets. The wireless magnetic suspension moon lamp is a captivating addition to any room. With its adjustable color temperature settings and innovative magnetic levitation technology, it offers both convenience and aesthetic appeal. Irrigation systems are essential for providing water to crops in areas where rainfall is insufficient or unreliable. These systems play a crucial role in ensuring food security, particularly in regions facing water scarcity. The initial investment in an irrigation system can be significant, but the long-term benefits often outweigh the costs. Volentieri Pellants is a renowned manufacturer of grape harvesters, known for their innovative designs and commitment to quality. Robotic arms have become an indispensable part of modern manufacturing, particularly on assembly lines. They offer precision, speed, and reliability, revolutionizing the way products are produced. The IC Light system uses cameras to guide hoeing machines, ensuring precise weed removal and reducing operator fatigue. It can operate day or night and recognizes multiple plant rows. This gadget is a fantastic tool for kids to learn counting. It's a great way to help children develop essential math skills and build a solid foundation for future learning. Boundless Carrier is a unique and innovative product designed to make transporting and storing gear easier and more convenient. It's a heavy-duty, multifunctional mobile cart and carrier that can be easily attached to any vehicle. This innovative gadget, a marvel of modern technology, is a true game-changer for mobile users. It's more than just a device, it's a versatile tool that seamlessly integrates into your digital life.